if you're in Ghana and you want to invest your money, then watch this video to the very end, because I'm going to share 3 apps that I have been using to invest my money. It's super simple. All you need to do is to watch this video to the very end and you will know those 3 apps. So I won't waste much of your time. The very first app on my list is the Achieve by Petra Security. So this Achieve app is helping you to invest the little money that we have. And when you download the Achieve investment app, it's super simple. All you need to do is to provide the details that they want from you. After submitting your details, they will verify your account and you can start investing into the DigiSaves account or the Eurobond account, or even invest into the tech giant. Everything is super simple. I have more videos about the Achieve investment app, how to sign up, how to make deposits, how to withdraw your money, everything you need to know about the Achieve investment app. The link will be in the description box. You can click on that and watch that video. It's very simple. You can also download the app from the link in the description box. Now moving on to the next investment app that you can use if you are in Ghana, Nigeria, Kenya to invest into the US stock market is the Bamboo investment app. But take note, none of these apps have sponsored this video. I found them to be the best investment apps that you can use to invest into US stock market or any asset classes that you want. So talking about the Bamboo investment app is very simple. You follow the same thing, you provide the details that they want from you. The next thing you do is to fund your account. You can invest into the US stock market. I mean, buy dividend stocks from big companies like Apple, Tesla, Facebook, Amazon, even invest into Manchester United team, invest into real estate, invest into bond ETFs. Think of any ETF that you want to invest in. You can use the Bamboo investment app to do this. Guys, it's very simple. I also have a full video about the Bamboo investment app. The link will be in the description box. Just click on that and watch how to sign up with the Bamboo investment app. Now the third app on the list is the Plus investment app. You see, you can invest into mutual funds, fixed income, and other asset classes using the Plus investment app. We have the IC Liquidity World and other 2 investments that you can invest your money in using the Plus investment app. Now if you're in Ghana, if you are somebody in your 20s, 30s, investment can help you grow your money and gain financial freedom simply. So these are the 3 apps that I have been using, and you can also use these 3 apps to invest into any other asset classes that you want. How to make more money from the stock market. You don't have to be an expert. All you need to do is to watch the next video that will pop up on the screen, and I will show you how you can invest into the best asset classes so that you can gain financial freedom. If this video helps you, hit a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Until then, hand to head, salute.